Hi, my name is Rachel Couch, and currently you are perusing my website, so welcome. I am a English teacher with Wake County Public School Systems. I've been teaching for about 7 years now. Currently, I'm about to graduate with my SLIS degree with a major concentration in reference librarianship this August. Currently, I'm interning at the NC Biotechnology Center in RTP, which is a special library. And then in July, I'm going to be interning at the Duke Marine Library in Beaufort, North Carolina. My goal is ultimately to become a reference librarian for either a special library or an academic library. So hopefully this website will give you a little bit more idea about my experience and goals, hopes, dreams, aspirations. If you look up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see the home page, which is where you are currently. You'll see the contact page, which is how to get in touch with me personally. My experience, which I just briefly went over, and then the education that I have had. The two schools that I've gone to are Appalachian State University for my undergrad and the University of South Carolina for my graduate degree. So happy exploring, and thanks for being here.